So this is my project right now. This contraption here is reading an audio at 44,000 samples per second. It saves it to an SD card on the back of the board. Two-sided boards are very hard to build, but this one worked, even if it's a little janky. And then when it is done recording, you can access your files by going to a built-in web server on a soft access point, which means you change your Wi-Fi to the Auxbridge Wi-Fi network, and then you go to a specific URL, and then you can download all your files and see the device's status. Yeah. I can show you the one thing that I've managed to record. This is what the audio sounds like, so I think I need to figure out the format a little bit, but perfect.